is DJ Megatron.
Me eat all of them. Them take away everything from me. Him run out of the court now. Like him begins to be a doctor for him.
DB, remember me the day fear when the woman beat you and put you out. Have you sleep on dog bed while you do it drunk crow? DB, you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. DB, you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. DB, drunk crow, you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. DB, why you mash up my life? Me say you mash up my life. Dep on the street, never have nothing to eat. My ask if they help me. You tell me about my bumbo cleat drunk crow. You mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. DB, you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. Boy, never know say you turn so. Never know say you are drunk crow. Why you do it drunk crow? Why you do it drunk crow? Me say DB, why you mash up my life? And why you mash up my life? Me a belly, and then you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. You know me a breed, but you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life. Cause you me the love, but no you mash up my life. Me say you mash up my life.
Right across the road.
Yeah, right across the road.
But tell her already you never hear. Hello? 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 Who you?
My name is Goody. At the bar where I come from.
A pink boss, you?
No?
So we just stirred up for bar work and nobody never call you for interview.
You know, so I hear people talk and I decide to come and I say, yeah, I'm going to try my luck. Because through the whole COVID thing, I'm have my daughter. You know, things kind of rough. But if somebody already still like, alright, sorry for bother you.
Hold on. You have no bar experience?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, me work at 2 bar, 1 for 1 year. But I never fire me get first, so you know, I move on to better things. And the second one, you know, girl was certified mixologist. Yeah, that's the same one day. You know, and I create a special drink that also die for. Yeah, girl bad like that. Yeah, girl bad.
That area, you sound overqualified for my little bar.
No, Miss Goody not say that. Me need the work. Me need the work.
Alright, listen. One next bartender supposed to come for your interview, but that's next week. But this evening, we have a little celebration. So consider today your audition. You think you're prepared for that?
I'm prepared for anything, Miss Goody. Tell me to get the word.
Alright, so prove yourself this evening, and we'll consider the week on and week off.
Thank you, Miss Goody. I will let you down.
So hold on. We can dance?
Well, me no dance expression or team spice up. I know.
Alright, my love. I like your spirit. Make sure I have the same energy that you have later when the people ever come in.
No worry yourself, we don't offer entertain people. So yeah.
Alright, come and show you the ropes.
No, not really.
Be that as it may, this is not your first time something like this is happening.
Hold on, let me take this.
I'm gonna need to turn it.
Yeah. What? Hold on, let me ask you something. Who are the supervisor? So, why you feel you always have to calm when them things that happen? Look here, man. Tell the locks up dread boy to come off on my site. Or me personally go trim him. And I come back for the rest of the day.
Carlton, you think this will work?
What do you mean?
This, me and you. Most of we alone time, you depend on a phone call and it's upsetting. Or you argue with somebody about work.
Look, I hire the idiot supervisor boy and I'm going to give him no sense. And then you have this little dirty lockset boy with us. Sure.
Aye. That is the next thing with you. Why you have to class up people? Why must you be a dirty lax rasta head boy?
Because that is what him is.
Carlton, you have a problem with locks or rasta?
Rasta are the perfect excuse for workless.
What you mean?
People head for properly groomed. You understand me? This clump up, natty. It don't look good.
You know how ridiculous you sound? That is a total infringement upon people's human rights and self-expression. You know we have people in a parliament who have locks, we have teachers, we have lawyers, we have doctors, what you say?
Them for trim too. Why you take it so personal?
Because I have people in my family with locks and me used to wear locks.
Well, I'm glad they cut it before we meet you.
You know me, I try to figure out your level of shallow thinking. Tell me a joke you make.
Bubbles, you take a joke too far now, you know. First you call me ridiculous, now you call me shallow. This starts sound like disrespect.
Carlton, me never call you ridiculous. It's just what you were saying. And me never say you're shallow. It's just your thinking.
Well, if I'm thinking shallow, that means I'm me shallow then.
Here what, Carlton? Here what? Forget it. Forget it.
Yo, Bubbles, don't walk away when we have a conversation.
This is not a conversation. And me no want it go no further. You know what? I'm going to my room.
Yo, Bubbles, don't walk away when I talk to you, Virgin. Bubbles, don't walk away when I talk to you.
Carlton, I think you need to leave.
Just like we talk.
No. We can talk about this later or tomorrow. No.
So what good you must the case.
Yes, my love. Now Bubbles she and our private investigator self.
Yeah.
Bubbles, how you get them picture there?
Goody, you remember when I asked you for your address? Me just make somebody follow her. When we get them, finish up with her.
You know, you know.
That's why my
Here
name.
you go, miss.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. What are you, sir?
Give me some Campari and boom.
Coming right away.
Incoming.
What? Good like that.
Girl, no for the one sing. Yeah, man.
Shopping.
Go on. Think proper.
Proper.
Go there. Yeah, man. You have me, Jenna?
What do you want
That's
5
it.
sheet?
Yo, I have left 5 over the house, you know, because 5 look like she have changed too much out.
Here, there.
Couldn't deal with that, you see me? New bartender.
Oh, my bad. You not even ask me about that. I'm a new bartender-ish, because today's our audition. So if she go on good, she get the work. Don't make him fool. You're too earlier this morning. So make him fool.
Alright, hear me, I say. Give me a Campari special.
You see you look like a troublemaker, so you have to go pay me first. Yeah.
Me like her.
Like her too.
She have it, man.
Yeah, goody. Oh, I'm good bartender, that one. Yeah, man. Give them what they want.
You can get a restaurant for it.
Anything you want.
Okay, what you want? Give me one more of them.
One more of these.
All right, buddy, coming up. Sancho.
Ooh, yeah. Girl, I never meant to leave you in a mood like that. So make it up, I'll travel to the moon and back. I'm sorry for the things where you see in my Snapchat. Now while I'm a close spot, and when you left, you never had to slam the door like that. So girl, let's talk it out. I don't know what they're talking about. Girl, let's talk it out. Cause she don't mean nothing to me. Girl, are you alone? You alone, you alone, you alone. You alone, me love, girl, are you alone?
So you could wait for me.
Yes, they take too long over them and change just like, you know what I'm saying. So I'm telling you, just tell for you.
Me not tell you to zip it up and you come out left me.
Too long, you know. Come here.
Was love at first sight in an instant. Me no need no co-sign or assistance. Walk up to you, baby girl, can I have distance? And if you're there with somebody, me no response. Hands on a waist and memory. She like me
Simone.
never clean. Give her the rude boy wine, girl, where you mean?
One girl.
You know something never doing it before?
Years.
Yeah. So you finally reach. You want something to drink? Bartender. Fix it up.
Coming right up.
Sorry. Bartender, look how long you wait for the
Me love you alone. You alone, you alone, you alone. Girl, I will never leave you alone. You alone, you alone, you alone.
So Peter, you still at the music?
Yeah, man. Can't stop that. You know? Right now, we have a tune. Yeah, number 2 from the South Side of Chad. The one let us wait. Yeah, man.
You never stop though.
No, I can't stop. You know, it just gotta be, you know. I was looking at that video. I did 15 years ago.
Oh, the one with me?
Yeah, man.
With me a little girl.
Yeah, boy, I gotta tell you about it. Buying and change and take.
Yeah.
Beautiful to see you with pretty smile.
Yeah.
Remember the song?
Yeah, remember the song.
Man, it's a new day.
Yeah.
Fresher than the clothes where we wear. Fresher than the car where we steer. Fresh, so fresh than the prince of the leer. Keep it fresh every day, everywhere. Fresher than the clothes where we wear. Fresher than the car where we steer. Fresh, so fresh than the prince of the leer. Keep it fresh every day, fresh, swagaholic.
You finally reach.
That's how you say hello.
Good night, good night. This is what you guys drinking?
Yeah.
Celebrate, you celebrate. Top shelf now.
Right, yes, sir. I come in, sir. Hold up.
Woody wants a piece.
Simone? Simone?
This love inside I can't contain.
Not another minute.
No, 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 no.
Love won't let us wait. Not a minute longer. The moment is right now.
Being so close to you even makes it stronger somehow.
Here I am with open arms, anticipating. Just the thought of being with you is so amazing.
You're the breeze in the summer, the warmth in the winter.
Simone, how are that? How are that? Simone, where you gone?
Honey, I'm home.
Carlton, me have been in my house. We're gonna make sure to call police.
Look, I ask you to sign the paper then, and you're itch. So we bring them come for you sign them.
You forget about restraining order?
Simone, sign the paper. Just don't be it.
Carlton.
Simone, everything alright?
It's just my ex-husband about to leave.
So who this? Tyrone Long.
Well, Tyrone, my wife have some business to sort out, so you need to leave.
I need to leave. It seems like you're the one who needs to leave.
Say, you need to leave.
Simone, you alright?
Yeah. We'll deal with this.
Alright. Handle your business and give me a call, okay?
Alright.
So let me get down in the place.
Carlton, we just need to get a pen and sign the paper and you come out of my way and come out of my house.
Miss Goody? Miss Goody?
You alright? I'll bring something for your drink, you know? My special to die for, you know?
Thanks.
So, you good?
Yeah. You finished running the bar?
Yeah, I'm clean up and everything.
Why not this?
I'm special. Can't tell you. Little secret.
It is good.
I know. I know. Yeah. Yeah, what is it? You want me to order coffee?
What you saying there?
A special little mix. It named to die for.
Oh.
Yeah.
When you see everything in a tool.
Yeah. You never know so blood thicker than water. You really feel like saying that I embarrass my sister and get away with it? Goody? Yeah.
Bad, it's nothing. Bad, none of them is nothing. DB's bad, nothing. Yo, shop it. Oh, shop it, lock up. Alright then, tomorrow come here, man. Oh, go to the place warming up, so. Goody? But it's strange. Check and see. Goody! Rotted! Goody!
some business to sort out, so you need to leave.
Leave? It seems like you're the one who needs to leave.
You hear me say?
Leave! Oh,
Alright, listen. One next bartender.
Done. You know, I hear people talk and me decide to come. Jesus Christ, why am I always looking at this?
Just put yourself in the situation.
Incoming.
Not drink.
Achoo. Achoo.